Senate Local Government Panel Chair Bongbong Marcos clarifies that the proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law is not dead. He hopes to resume deliberations on the proposed law once the truth is out on the bloody Mama Sapano incident. Christine Santos reports.
The lawmakers are determined to continue the probe on Mama Sapano incident, wherein 44 members of the PNP Special Action Forces, 18 MILF fighters, and 5 civilians had died. Senator Bongbong Marcos said the Senate will not bring the investigation to a halt until the truth comes out.
Maraming nagsuggest niyan, pagandahin na lang yung arm. Well, then we have to, whatever it is, we just have to continue the peace process. We are still hoping that the BBL we can write a good Bangsamoro Basic Law and that we will be able to pass it. So, ganun pa rin ang layunin namin lahat. That's why, as I said, it's time to take a step back and see what, watch this, look at this from a larger perspective.
Despite the said incident, Senator Marcos suggested to still push through with the peace talks. Marcos compared the peace talks to a coma status. According to him, the Bangsamoro Basic Law is not yet dead. Rather, its legislative process was just suspended but will still continue.
Use what I call the confidence building measure. Maibalik lahat ng mga gamit. It's not because we did 44 firearms or 44 vests or 44 radios. It's because it is a sign of good faith, and that is very important. And hopefully, palitan ang pag-iisip ng BIFF, yung kanilang sinabi, wala sila ibabalik daw na gamit. Sana naman, kung sino man ang pinapakinggan ng mga BIFF, that they should also make those gestures of good faith. Kung hindi, wala nang katapusan itong laban nito.
Kailangan pagpatuloy ang pakikipag-usap sa MILF. Kailangan ipagpatuloy ang pakikipag-usap sa NPA at sa iba pang mga armadang grupo.
It can be recalled that some of the Muslim leaders urged the lawmakers to pass the BBL swiftly, believing that this will finally be the solution to achieve peace in Mindanao.